Hello student, good morning. I am Dr. Ajay Kumar Sinha, Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to discuss a structure of solid water, liquid water, vapor and steam. All four have different structure. Then now I am going to discuss a structure of solid water, liquid water, vapor and steam. Here solid water, that is also you can tell ice. Ice is commonly named. Solid water is commonly named as ice. Solid water is commonly known as ice. Actually it is a three-dimensional structure. Ice has a three-dimensional structure, means it has length, breadth and height. by the diagram you can understand it very well. It is a tetrahedral. Actually oxygen, each oxygen is joined with other four oxygen tetrahedrally. Okay, each oxygen in ice is joined with other four oxygen atoms tetrahedrally. Okay, each oxygen atom is surrounded by the four other oxygen atoms at a distance of 276 picometer. The structure also contains wide holes that can hold molecules at appropriate size interstitially, means between the ice molecules, or you can say it is arranged in such a way that inside the ice wide holes will be there. In that gap many other molecules can be hold. Okay, the structure also contains wide holes that can hold molecules of appropriate size inside that gap, that is called interstitially. Okay, it can hold there. This is the structure of ice, solid water. And what or the liquid water, then liquid water is common. Daily we are drinking that water only. Here we know that H2O is a molecule, one molecule of water, but you will not find only one molecule of water, H2O. Always it will be joined with other H2O. Many H2O will join to each other by hydrogen bonds. That is also called hydrogen bonding. Means O of one molecule and H of other water molecule, they will attract to each other. They will make a weak bond. Then like that way, second can join with third H2O. Means again same way, O can join with other H of other water molecule. Like that way they will make a chain. Okay, they will make a chain, big chain, and its molecular weight will become very heavy, and now it can't go to the atmosphere easily. Only when particularly in summer, when heat will be more, that time this bond can break, and then evaporation can take place, and it will convert to the vapor form. in vapor form means not like this that all hydrogen bond will break, not. Somewhere it will break and it will go to the atmosphere. All will be not fully separated. Okay, maybe in the beginning it was very long chain. That was it was not going to the atmosphere. Now it will break from somewhere due to the high heat in summer. Then it can go to the atmosphere, but it will not fully separated. H2O fully separated. It is not always it is possible until it is very high temperature, like 100 degrees centigrade. But in ordinary temperature, that some hydrogen bond of water molecules will break and it can go to the atmosphere in the form of vapor. That is called water vapor. Okay. Then this structure you might be knowing also, and already I have given also a structure in diagram. You can see. Okay, this is the structure, liquid structure. Okay, and you know that importance of the hydrogen bonding, that we are getting water on the earth due to this hydrogen bonding. These bonds are not very strong. H2O, many H2 are joining to each other due to the hydrogen bonding. These bonds are not very strong. Okay, just in summer it can break. Okay, then due to this hydrogen bonding, now all H2Os are joining to each other and we are getting water on the earth. Otherwise it was not possible. All greenery would have been not possible without hydrogen bonding. Correct? Because plants require water and there was no question of, you can say, any greenery. Then this structure I have already given, that particularly in H2O, O and H, in H2O molecules I am talking about, O and H, it has its length is 95.84 picometer, 95.84 picometer, and angle between two OH, H2O is there, OH, two bonds are there, between the two OH, that angle is 104.45 degree, and length I told you 95.84 picometer, and bond angle is 104.45 degree. This I have told about the liquid water. Now water vapor, that structure I told you, that now this liquid water, that after getting heat it can break, some bond can break and it can escape and it will come to the atmosphere. Okay, that is actually vapor. Always vapor will be on the surface of water. Wherever water is there, at the surface of water, liquid water, its vapor will be there, and that vapor will create pressure on that surface also. Then that due to that vapor, pressure is created. That is called vapor pressure. Okay. Then you should also know, or might be knowing, that vaporization takes place at all temperature, and only thing is that rate of vaporization increases with temperature. If temperature will be more and more, heat will be more and more, then it will vaporize, water will vaporize more and more. And you know, when temperature will be 100 degrees centigrade, then all, you can say, this bond that have vaporization will be very fast and it will convert to a steam. It will convert to a steam. Correct? Then now you can see the diagram, the structure of a steam. Vapor, you told that it will be not fully separated, but in a steam it will be 100% separated in a steam. H2O, H2O, H2O. At that time when bonds will break, that time it will release heat. Due to that heat, steam will become, you can say, more dangerous than boiling water. Both actually 100 at 100 degree. At boiling point only this happens. Then when it will, their phase change will be there. Liquid will convert to fully H2O, H2O, H2O. That's why maximum H2O, H2O, H2O bond will break. What was? They have joined, that will fully separated. They will come into H2O, H2O separate. That's why you can't see. It will be, because H2O is so small, you can't see from the eye. Only when you will break, only that time you can see that, oh, some things are there, but quickly it will be separated. That time you can't see. Okay, then that time a structure will be only of in a steam form, a structure will be fully separated, H2O, 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 complete, just like a gas. You can't see. Then I have discussed all 4 structures. Solid means ice structure and liquid structure. Also I discussed vapor and steam. Now I am stopping only here. Thank you.